Lions by Laura Marsh. What am I? I am king of the beasts, and I like a big feast. I rest most of the day, but I like to play. My legs number 4. Do you want to know more? I roar! What am I? A lion. Big cats. Lions are part of a group called big cats. Tigers, leopards, and jaguars are big cats too. How big are lions? They are much heavier than you. One lion can weigh more than 3 men. All lions are big, but they don't all look the same. Male lions have a mane. Female lions don't have a mane. They are also smaller than males. Lion around. Most lions live on the savanna in Africa. It is very hot and dry there. Lions need to rest to stay cool. They lie in the shade. They also climb trees to find a breeze. Lions live in a family group called a pride. A pride can be as large as 40 lions. The pride rests, plays, and hunts together. Super hunters. Lions are meat eaters. They eat other animals or prey. A lion's body is built for hunting. Lions usually hunt at night. It's cooler when the sun goes down. Females do most of the hunting. They often hunt in groups. Your favorite food might be pizza, but zebras and wildebeests are a lion's favorite food. Food fight. Lions might be good hunters, but they are not good at sharing. The adult males eat first. Then the adult females eat. The youngest lions eat last. Sometimes there is not enough. They often fight over food. 7 cool facts about lions. 1. They can eat up to 60 pounds in one meal. That's about 240 hamburgers. 2. Lions are the only big cats with a mane. 3. Most pet cats won't go in the water, but lions do. They may jump in to get their prey. 4. Spots around a lion's mouth make a pattern. Each lion's pattern is different. You can tell lions apart this way. 5. Lions keep their claws sharp by scratching trees, just like pet cats do. 6. A lion's tongue has tiny spines that face backwards. The spines help a lion remove meat from bones and dirt from its fur. 7. A lion's roar can be heard 5 miles away. Cubs. Baby lions are called cubs. They are born in a den. There, they stay safe from other animals. The mother keeps them hidden for a few weeks. The cubs grow bigger. Then they join the pride. It's playtime. Cubs love to run, jump, and wrestle. They stalk and pounce. The cubs play with almost anything, even mom's tail. Playing helps the cubs learn to be hunters. Lion talk. Young lions also learn how all lions talk to one another. A hum or a puff says hello. A snarl means back off. And a roar means stay off my land. Lions tell each other they are happy. They snuggle and rub heads. They lick each other too. Lions in a pride like to be together. They help one another live on the hot, dry savanna.